Let's go see what Carlos is doing. That's the trick. Figure it out.
Okay. How much for you?
Oh, well, this picture is based on the golden ratio. The actual ratio is an irrational number, so there is no set rate. However, the farther you go into the Fibonacci sequence, the closer you get to the actual ratio. So I used 5/8, which is an approximation. Well, from right here to right here, it's 528. From right here to right here, it's 528. If you add these two, and you add them from right here, it's 528. There's a lot, some infinite amount of these.
Still don't know what I'm going to do for my last project.
That means something, Alex.
Don't even worry about it, guys. It's like do it last minute. Something will come to you.
That makes it even harder to do it last minute.
Don't even worry about it. Just follow these steps. It'll be easy to barely do a thing and still pass the class. Warning. Consult your doctor before switching your daily regimen. Side effects may include extreme laziness, failure, lack of care, and dizziness. If any side effects persist for more than a year, start doing your work. Step 1. You first need to decide what the lowest grade you are okay with getting. Remember to take what your parents expect you to get into consideration. The grade that you want will depend on how much effort you will need to put into the class. If you just want to pass the class, then you barely have to do a thing, but if you want a good grade, then you will actually have to pay attention during class. Step 2. Try to do your work during class time. Chances are your teacher will force you to stay on track. Also, your teacher will most likely get angry at you if you slack off during class or do something non-subject related, like reading during math class. If you don't want to do work, lay out all you need to do work on your desk to make it look like you are working. Then proceed to do whatever as long as you can hide it in your desk. Step 3. If you can double task, you do an assignment while the teacher is lecturing. If you don't feel like doing work, then don't do anything or read or something. If you don't pay attention at all to the teacher, you will fail the test and you will fail the class. Do assignments and projects that are worth more points than regular homework assignments.
So wait, listen, that means you can learn anything in class.
That's like the class. Look at this.
What's that?
This is the unit circle, duh.
Oh.
See guys, that was easy.
You did learn something then. Alex, we need something easier. This is too confusing.
I have something easier.
What do you have?
Okay, so once upon a time, there was a 3, 4, 5 triangle. We wanted to find theta, so then SOHCAHTOA came along.
Say, theta was lost?
Yep, we needed to find theta.
What does SOHCAHTOA stand for?
To find the sine of theta, you need opposite over hypotenuse. To find the cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. And to find the tangent, it's opposite over adjacent. So what do you guys want to find?
All of them.
No, just find sine.
Alright, sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, so it's 3 over 5.
Oh, I get it. It's a sine, Alex. And I know what I'm going to do for my project, Alex. So time minus time.
What kind of project is that?
1, 5. Second, this is how I learned through writing projects. Everyone else did their own project, Alex. Now you just think of your own project while I start writing.
This is so...
Where's my time? And everything's done. You want to see it?
Yeah,
Exactly. Alright, so this is my project. Okay. Another year of math has passed, and though it will not be my last, for some it will be their last class. The summer is coming, and we have just one last thing. What we learned in pre-cal from winter semester to spring. I racked my brain and began to strain on how to explain what I learned in pre-calculus. I not only learned how to find sine and cos, or that pi has no crust. I learned how to be open and free to everything that surrounds me, like the sequence of Fibonacci. And though I might not understand, I learned math has different brands, for each person like their own hand. It's like a puzzle you have to fix. All the pieces are mixed, and you have to find your own way and your own little tricks. I also learned math is what you make of it. You decide to give up and quit, or to buckle down and continue. Alex, what are you going to do for your math project?
Don't know. Huh? Where am I? How come I'm in Mr. Yorman's class? What? Abraham Lincoln, George Washington? What are you guys doing here?
Alex, you need to do your math project.
My math project? I don't know what to do. Huh?
Help me!
Help you with what?
I'm mad up and dying every day in this war. First there was 3, then 9, then 27, until finally on the last day there was 729. I don't know how many altogether.
George, that's the easy one. I got this. Okay, so first thing you do, you put 729 in that number, and you go 3 to the 3, n minus 1, 8 to the 1, 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r, and yeah, 3 to the power of 729 minus 1. Okay, so George Washington, obviously this is your number.
You think you're so smart because you went to school.
Sorry, Abraham. Guys!
Alex.
Huh? Abraham Lincoln, George Washington? Oh, okay.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. That was a weird dream.
Anyways, what are you doing for your project, Alex? You gotta get started.
I got it! Anyone, ask me any math problem, ask me any numbers, ask me the square numbers, ask me to find the square root of numbers, anything you want. Anyone. Alright, you.
What is 3,436 squared?
That's 11,806,096. Anyway, got any other problems? Ask me cos pi over 4, that's the square root of 3 over 2. Anything.
So, Alex, what did you learn?
All of this.